I'm really happy today to be standing here in the Samutkarsh Mahashivir valedictory function being organized by Vidya Bharati Purvottara Kshetra. And I'm very thankful to the organizing committee, especially General Kalita and his team for inviting me to be part of this beautiful event. And it's my pleasure and honor to acknowledge the presence of one of the tallest political leader of the northeastern state, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Krishna Gopalji, Sir Karwa, Rashtriya Seva Sangh, and Srimati Nandita Gorlosa ji, Honorable Minister for Sports, Youth Welfare and of Government of Assam, Sri Yatindra Sharma ji, All India Joint Organizing Secretary, Vidya Bharati, Professor Ganga Prasad, the President Vidya Bharati Purvottara Kshetra, Sri Jatin Goswami ji, Padma Bhushan Awardee, Dr. Shankar Rai, All India Vice President, Vidya Bharati, Dr. Jagadhindra Roy Chaudhary, Secretary Vidya Bharati Purvottara Kshetra, and most importantly, all the students who have come from different parts of the northeastern state to participate in this Mahashivir, which has been organized by Vidya Bharati Northeastern Chapter. Like I said, I had the opportunity to attend one of the alumni meet of the Vidya Bharati session today in the morning. There was a lot of insight I could get that what Vidya Bharati is doing in the northeastern state for giving a holistic education to our children. And the alumni, those who have interacted during the session, we have come to know that you have a huge pool of successful alumni who are in position to give back to the society. Like I always say, education should not be only learning, teaching numeracy and literacy. Education should be holistic, what the Vidya Bharati is providing, imparting a holistic education about the ethical education, about how you deal with the mental health, how you deal with the social issues, and how you deal in the society as a human being. तो हमेशा से हमने यही कहा है कि अपना संस्कृति को कैसे साथ लेके चलना है, द मॉरल वैल्यूज़ ऑफ द सोसाइटी. हमारे स्कूल्स में काफ़ी पढ़ाया लिखा जाता है, लेकिन सबसे मूल बात यह है कि हम अपना संस्कृति के साथ कैसे जुड़ा रहे और लोगों को, बच्चों को किस तरीके से मॉरल वैल्यू सिखाया जाए. जैसे स्वामी विवेकानंद कहते हैं कि जो हमारे बच्चों को ऐसा एजुकेशन देना चाहिए, इट शुड बी कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग एंड मैन मेकिंग. तभी जाके एजुकेशन का मीनिंग होगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाट द विद्या भारती हैज़ बीन डूइंग. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी प्राउड टू से आप विद्या भारती हमारे विद्यार्थियों का सर्वांगीण विकास के लिए जो काम कर रहा है, बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ़ है. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी होपफुल. एज आई कम फ्रॉम अरुणाचल प्रदेश, the Department of Education in Arunachal Pradesh will be in close collaboration with Vidya Bharati to come up with the curriculum for our students for the ethical learning, और उसको किस तरीके से हम आगे अपना राष्ट्र की सेवा में और अपने सोसाइटी के लिए, अपने राज्य के लिए किस तरीके से एक मॉरल वैल्यू के साथ काम करें, वो सिखाने के लिए हम किस तरीके से साथ हाथ से हाथ, कंधे से कंधे मिला के आगे बढ़ेंगे. The government of Arunachal will be looking forward to the Vidya Bharati Parishad to collaborate in improving the education system and giving a quality and holistic education to our future, because our future is the pillar of our country. They are the cornerstone of our country. So we all must come together, put hands to hands together and work towards the better future of our coming generation by improving the quality of education through the NGOs, through all the stakeholders, and through the departments, through the government. So I'm very hopeful the way Vidya Bharati has been working in the northeastern state. तो इसी तरीके से आप आगे काम करते रहे तो हमारे खास करके जो पूर्वोत्तर क्षेत्र हमारे जो मेन लैंड से जुड़ रहा है और भी अच्छी तरीके से जुड़े, एंड वी बिकम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सिटीजन ऑफ द कंट्री. With these few words, with a big salute to the Vidya Bharati, I would like to conclude my words here. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
আপুনি চাই আছে ND24 সৰ্বশ্ৰেষ্ঠ নহয় সৰ্বোত্তমৰ দৌৰত.